Hello IG Garage family, is your check engine light on showing the P0006 code? This error is rare but critical and is linked to the Fuel Shutoff Valve B control circuit low. Ignoring it can lead to fuel delivery failure, engine stalling, or even a no-start condition. In today's video we'll cover what the P0006 code means, where the fuel shutoff valve sensor is located, very important, how to diagnose and fix it. And at the end I'll suggest 2 more videos to help you out, P0500, vehicle speed sensor malfunction, and P0236, turbocharger boost sensor issue. Let's get started. What does P0006 mean? The P0006 code stands for Fuel Shutoff Valve B control circuit low. This means the fuel shutoff valve isn't receiving enough voltage, which can cause fuel flow issues, leading to engine hesitation or failure to start. The ECM, engine control module, is detecting that the control circuit is low or shorted, meaning a problem in the wiring, valve, or ECM itself. Symptoms of P0006: check engine light on, difficulty starting the car, engine stalling while driving, reduced fuel efficiency, and loss of power. Common causes of P0006 include a faulty fuel shutoff valve, damaged or corroded wiring in the control circuit, a blown fuse or faulty relay, a bad ECM connection, and a poor ground connection in the fuel shutoff circuit. Where is the fuel shutoff valve located? Well, it's usually mounted near the high-pressure fuel pump or along the fuel rail. On some vehicles it might be inside the fuel tank as part of the fuel pump assembly. In both diesel and gasoline engines, this valve is placed along the main fuel lines to control pressure and flow. And don't forget to check near the wiring harness. Follow the wiring from the ECM to the fuel shutoff valve, and inspect for any loose, damaged, or corroded connections. First, inspect the fuel shutoff valve. Locate the fuel shutoff valve and check for physical damage. If it's clogged or malfunctioning, it may need to be replaced. Next, check the wiring and voltage. Use a multimeter to check if the fuel shutoff valve is getting the correct voltage. If the circuit is low, inspect for a blown fuse or damaged wiring. Then test the ECM connection. If all components seem fine but the code persists, check the ECM connections for corrosion or loose pins. Finally, clear the code and test drive. Once repairs are complete, use an obd2 scanner to clear the code. Take the car for a short drive to see if the issue is resolved. So that's everything you need to know about P0006, Fuel Shutoff Valve B control circuit low. Start by checking the fuel shutoff valve, wiring, and ECM connections. If needed, replace the shutoff valve or repair the wiring. Before you go, make sure to watch these related videos, P0500 vehicle speed sensor malfunction and P0236 turbocharger boost sensor issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.